Start by choosing high-quality ingredients, such as flavorful ground beef and ripe tomatoes. To add depth of flavor to your chili, try using a variety of aromatic spices, such as cumin, chili powder, and paprika. Don't be afraid to add plenty of vegetables to your chili, such as diced bell peppers, onions, and carrots. For a bit of sweetness, consider adding a small amount of brown sugar or maple syrup to the pot. If you like a bit of heat in your chili, consider adding some diced chili peppers or a pinch of chili flakes to the pot. To give your chili a more complex flavor, try browning the meat before adding it to the pot. For a lighter, healthier twist on chili con carne, try using ground turkey or chicken in place of the beef. To add some creaminess to the dish, consider stirring in some sour cream or Greek yogurt before serving. For a vegan version of chili con carne, try using beans or vegetables as the base and adding in your own spices and flavors. Finally, don't be afraid to get creative and add your own personal touch to the dish. Whether it's using different types of beans, adding in some unusual spices, or coming up with a unique sauce, the possibilities are endless.